guys, I feel gross. I know, I look a hot mess, but I'm mad and I'm single and I'm not feeling like a bad, you know what. So I'm gonna go get some cute little outfits. I'm gonna put on a full face of makeup, I'm gonna take some pictures, and I just wanted to bring you guys along for the ride because, you know, I feel like I never show out on YouTube. So anyway, I'm gonna go do that, and I just thought I'd bring you guys along. So let's go. You might be wondering, like, why are you mad? I don't even know. I'm in here by myself though. And so we're gonna get funky. I'm over this. Ladies, do you know how many times I have heard you're pretty, but you have no butt? No butt? Is butt all that makes a woman? No, butt is not. There's brains, there is personality, there is face, there is, I don't even know. I'm hysterical right now. I'm upset, I'm triggered. Like, just a mess. I have chapstick, didn't brush my teeth, didn't wash my face. I'm in my bed, okay? I'm in my bed. Everything else, my desk is clear. My laundry's done, so. Okay, so we're in the car now, but me, vlog and drive, bad idea, probably. Yeah, probably. Ooh, can I even? Okay, it's gonna have to be this way, guys, sorry. My car just almost didn't start. Okay, it's fine. I just want to feel pretty. I just want to feel worth it. And I look like this. That's probably why. We're almost there. Is this a good idea? I could just go to the gas station and get food. That would make me feel better. Okay, hi. I didn't film in the store because, I don't know, I got scared. Anyway, okay, the point is, I was supposed to get one outfit and I got more than one. Okay, so I went to Rue 21 and I already took it out of the bag, so I'm sorry. Okay, so I got this. I thought it was cute, this little number. I really like this shirt. Okay, so I got it in a large because I feel like it was gonna fit like really tight, and I don't know, the medium looked like it was gonna be too small, you know, with like boobs and whatnot considered. So, and so I got this. I know it's like basic, but I can make it a look. I got it in medium. I'll just flip to my makeup. Hi, I'm back. I don't even know what I feel like doing today. What kind of look I want to do. Okay, so while I do this, I'm going to talk about love. Have I ever been in love? Yes, I think. I don't know. I feel like it was love, but maybe not mature love. I believe that love can fade, which is like the scariest part. Because like you can just wake up someday and somebody doesn't love you anymore. And like you'll always be trying to figure out like when was the instant when they stopped being into you. Is why do people go back to relationships that they know aren't good for them? We're lonely. And then not even that we're lonely, like we have so much hope. If somebody decides to leave like a relationship, let them leave. You can definitely love yourself and still want a relationship. That is so triggering. I like to think that if you want a relationship, then you don't love yourself. Like, I'm good with myself. I love spending time with myself. I love being alone doing things. But that doesn't mean that sometimes I don't want somebody to hang out with. Interracial relationships, let's talk about that. If you're dating somebody from like another culture, I feel like you should make an effort to like learn their culture. Like if you want to date somebody from another race because that's what you're into, or because you're just like into that person, then sure, you do you, but you should not be like saying that one race is gonna do like, you know, like put out more or something. A lot of guys, when they like wow, I like your natural hair better than like if you wear weave and whatnot. I don't exactly wear weaves and whatnot for guys. I don't do it at all for guys. I do it because I like it. Like when I put in my faux locks, it's because I like how it looks on me. And honestly, if I get a compliment from a girl, it feels so much better than getting a compliment from a guy. I think it's really cute when guys are like, oh, like I see you did this thing with your, like the highlight. Or I don't know, when they like pick up on things. I feel like trends, they come and they go. Like when I was younger, it was like, it's in to be skinny. Now that I've gotten older, it's in to be thick. And I'm not either of those. Like I'm not skinny and I'm not thick. I'm an awkward person and I'm a really stiff person too. You know what I hate? I hate when people say that about me. And they're like, you're really stiff. Like I'll be like, okay, great, I know, I'm sorry. Like there's nothing I can do about it. I'm just a stiff, awkward person. Like I don't even know what I want to do because I'm afraid to do blue. Because I feel like if I do blue, like it could turn out really bad. I can't take that shot to my self-esteem. Oh, should you take a cheater back? Okay, I've never been cheated on before, but that stuff like destroys you. And I know that like that person, typically the cheater never changes. If you cheat on someone, like there's either something wrong in the relationship, like you guys are not meant to be, or like if somebody loved you, they wouldn't cheat on you. Like you put up with certain things in a relationship, and then once you're out of it, you're like, I really put up with that. You're not gonna leave a situation until you're ready. That's all I can say. Like it doesn't matter how much somebody's telling you like, oh, this is bad, like you're not gonna care, or you're gonna care and like take it into consideration, but you're really not, like you'll leave when you're ready. So asking your friends and stuff, like I feel like you're really just doing that for funsies. Like I'm talking to myself especially right now, like when you ask your friends, you know you're gonna do what you want to do at the end of the day. Like if you're actually not being intimate with your partner and that's what they need, like that's their love language, and you're not giving it to them, at the same time, like just break up with them. And there's the part where like you want to fix it, and I know like temptation can get the best of you, but in those instances and people are like, well, they were just tempted and blah blah blah, okay, then the farthest you would have gone was like, I don't know, kissing, maybe, not like full on doing other things, is how I feel about it. Like I feel like you wouldn't go all out if you love that person. Like you would stop yourself and be like, wait, I'm doing this person wrong, or like I need to at least break up with this person first before I continue, you know. But I've never been put in that situation to where I felt tempted like that, so I don't know, like I really can't speak on it. Like, do you consider flirting cheating? Yes. I feel like if you're doing anything that your partner wouldn't want you to do if they were around, you know, or like you know that they'd be uncomfortable doing, then it's cheating. Or maybe not cheating, but like some form of unacceptable, like you shouldn't be doing it. But if you had a friend or whatever that you were friends with before we got together, and like y'all hug or whatever, or even if you weren't friends before we got together and like y'all hug, as long as you know at the end of the day that like I'm your boo, not her, then everything should be fine. But if you can't trust somebody in a relationship, if you don't feel like you can trust somebody, then like that's a problem in and of itself. That's speaking for itself. If you're worried about trusting them, your gut never lies about things, low key. If you suspect something, like you're probably not wrong. But every time something happens, I'm like, oh, I should have trusted my gut. Like I never should have like either let this person back in my life. But they're lessons. At a point, you can't just keep saying, well, it's a lesson. Okay, it's a lesson, but you're not learning. Like you need to learn that, oh, I don't need to keep putting myself in these situations to where I can get hurt, or to where this person can take advantage of me. At what point are you going to put yourself first or make your feelings a priority over another person's, you know? Or at least that's just how I feel about it. Like, you eventually have to love yourself enough to where you're like, I'm not doing this anymore. And that's so much easier to say than do. Like, you have to have so much power to leave a situation that is not good for you. And people who do, like, I'm so proud of you. You have to learn to live your life without other people, without caring what other people think. And I'm still trying to do that. It's so hard. How to deal with getting out of a breakup? I don't know. Because I certainly have never done it healthily. Like, when people ask, can you be friends with your exes? No. I don't know how you can be friends with somebody that you, like, used to love. Like, especially if it hurts. If it was, like, a mutual ending, then, like, sure. But I feel like you have to give it time. I just don't get how other people do that. I need some time to stop thinking about you. Like, we just shared everything together. It was supposed to be me and you. And now it's just me. And I need some time to enjoy me. Like I could never get over the fact that that person wasn't willing to be the person that they initially said they were willing to be. And I know people change, but like at the same time, I feel like in a relationship, you either change, like you go together, or you grow apart. Like it just feels like a waste of time to give your heart and like trust somebody and then they leave. Never settle, baby. Never. That's my biggest fear, is settling, or being in a relationship, or getting married and being in a relationship with somebody who I do not like. And I know you can just get a divorce, but like I really just want to have that, like, you know, cutesy perfect relationship where like this couple's been together for some years, they actually love each other. I want that. Like I love watching 90s romance movies. I love watching like black love movies. Just hits the spot for me. And then when I got there, I was like, are you high? And he was like, no. And then I told Jordan, I was like, we're leaving at 12:50. He was like, look, I called because I feel really bad for what I did last night. And then he was like, come on, just be honest with me. Like, if you're mad, just say it. And I was like, I'm mad.